Growing a YouTube channel can be a challenging task, especially when it comes to building a large and engaged subscriber base. However, with the right strategies and techniques, it's possible to attract 1,000 subscribers or more to your channel. Here's a detailed guide on how to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. First, it's important to have a clear focus for your channel. Choose a niche or topic that you're passionate about and that has a large audience on YouTube. This will help you create content that is relevant and engaging to your viewers. Next, create high-quality content that is consistent with your channel's theme and appeals to your target audience. Use interesting and eye-catching titles, catchy thumbnails, and engaging descriptions to draw in viewers and encourage them to watch and subscribe. Promote your videos on social media, blogs, and other online platforms to reach a wider audience. You can also collaborate with other creators, participate in YouTube communities, and engage with your viewers through comments and live streams to build relationships and grow your channel. Use YouTube's tools and features to optimize your channel and videos for discovery. This includes using relevant keywords and tags, creating playlists, and using YouTube's analytics to understand your audience and improve your content. Finally, consider using paid promotion to boost your channel's visibility and reach. This can include running YouTube ads, using social media ads, or collaborating with influencers or other creators to promote your channel to their followers. By following these steps and consistently producing high-quality content, you can attract 1,000 subscribers or more to your YouTube channel and grow your audience over time.